Want to make money online? Here's a quick guide to start Amazon affiliate marketing in just a few steps. Step 1. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Visit the Amazon Associates website, click Sign Up, and fill in your details to create your account. Step 2. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific category like tech gadgets, beauty products, or fitness gear. This helps you target a specific audience. Step 3. Create content around your niche. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page. Review products, create how-to guides, or share tips. Step 4. Add your affiliate links. Find products on Amazon, generate your unique affiliate link, and include it in your content. Always disclose that you earn a commission. Step 5. Drive traffic to your content. Use SEO, social media, and email marketing to attract visitors. The more traffic, the higher your potential earnings. And that's it. Start earning with Amazon affiliate marketing today. Happy earning. Subscribe for more bussiness ideas, and if you want to grow every day with us,